Welcome back to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be doing the PLP assignment 2, week 2 assignment on PLP. So let's log into your portal, navigate, then let's do this. Navigate through blah blah blah. They read through the instruction in the README file. So the instruction of everything is in the README file. So let's open a new tab. Then this is our new tab. Let's accept the assignment. So here we are to push our code to GitHub. So okay, you're ready to go. The assignment is due 11. See, that's tomorrow. August 11. That's tomorrow. So let's click on this. Take us to our repository. So now let's read the README file. The assignment focuses on enabling skills. You are expected to demonstrate the ability use lists and table effectively to verify accessibility, then build structured using visual entity, apply various HTML form attributes to improve user interaction. So first of all, we have to create a file called enhance form.html. So let me copy this to be useful. Then let's go. So you come to your GitHub, you come to your Visual Studio Code. Come to your Visual Studio Code here. Then create a new folder. So I've done the Python assignment. So if you missed this session, you can just go to my YouTube channel, Damian Academy. The Python assignment is there. So let's start. Let's save this. Save as HTML. So let's save. So I've saved our file. So let's go to our terminal to now we're pushing on. Let's write our code. So let's go to the code here. What is it? This is our readme. So assignment enhancing HTML5 content and matching form. Use the list and table effectively to organize content, then embedded content. Blah, 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 blah. So first of all, we have to create our HTML boilers template. And to do that, you press the shift tab, then exclamation mark on your keyboard, and enter. So after that, you write this form to be forms, yeah, multimedia form. That's the title, then the body. Let's go to the body. So the body will be, let's create our header file. So let's put it H1. user registration. So let me open with live server so you can see what I'm doing. Open folder, con- desktop. So these are our formula. So let's continue. Let's open with live server. Then should be also. So so let me put it side by side with this guy here. Then this guy too be side by side with yeah. So let's start the coding. So registration form, that's our H1. Then P tag, that's paragraph tag. Fill in the form. Fill in the form below to register. So we'll create our section, then our H2 will be personal info. So we can equally create a label, label first name, full name, rather. Then under full name, we can put input type, the full name, we give it a placeholder called full name, then we'll give it, make it required, it's necessary. So always keep it to the right place, fill out this form. So still going. So let's continue. So we have our break tag. So we can just copy all this then place. Sorry, Let me do it here. Email. Yeah. Break. So we'll do it for number two. Coming to label for gender. Show value name. Option value for female too. Option value for female. Female. Then you close the tag. Select. Close the select tag. Use the option value first. You close select tag. Okay. So now on your code, it will bring something like this out. You choose whether you're male, whether you're female, and whether you're others, maybe you're bisexual. So we are good. So let's go back to this guy here. So now let's go to the GitHub, sorry, the assignment list. So now they said using table list table and media. So we are yet to add the media. So we are done with placeholder, which we did here, placeholder. We are done required, then we are done with autocomplete. using when we used our mail. Let me show you. Autocomplete is just for email. So now we are left with media. So we'll do the media now. So let me go back to this guy here. So that's the meaning of autocomplete. So this one you can just change the date you want and the rest. So then select your gender. We are done for this part. So let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue. So we'll create another label. Label. Then input type checkbox. Input type. We'll create another label. Input input type input type again input type checkbox name subscribe we put read only. So this is for checkbox. So we have different types. You have for text, you have for date, you have for checkbox, you have radio button. So let's continue. We have let's go to our table section. So put something about this and what we need. Don't know what we need. What we need is to check to do a table. So now let's go H2. So we can put our values come down. Can I put so we didn't close the form here. So our values, remember, values you can now have another list. Then you can now so get another section H2 pricing table. So we can have our table border. Let me just put this here. So we can have this. So now let me explain. This table border is the number of rows you want. Let me put, you see the difference. So it's the thickness. Yes. So you can also have the cell padding, how you want it to look. If you want jam pack or not. So that's why I kept it one. So this is okay. So we can have so the table rows are for all these guys here, all these rows. No, this is your row, then this is your column. These are rows and these are columns. So we have our table row, that table, these are the head, plan, price, futures. Then under the table body, we have our first one, we have, you create this, then you want to see add extra, can just put table D, that's table data, dummy at academy, dummy at academy. So you can see it has created another one, but it is not needed. It is not needed. So now let's go to create our video, our multimedia page, which we have something like this, which we have. So now let's start section. Let's get another section. Section H1. H1. So I can put it as welcome to the multimedia page. So next one is, so sorry, my bad. So let's continue. So welcome to the multimedia page. Then we can now have our multimedia page to be. Next one is paragraph tag. which it says this element enhances the experience. You don't need a paragraph target. So, let me just put let me just go straight to the point. H2. Listen, listen to this audio. So I will now give it an audio control. Audio control. Then when I give it an audio control, I give it the source. So tagging the source, you give it SRC. I just put there. So now this is what we did. So this is the source. So it's not yet active. We have to give it an attribute so you can help download. So you can put download. So definitely there will be an attribute called download here. So let's continue. Sorry, this source I is a demo. So I'm coming. Let me look for a MP3 here. So it will just play for me on MP3. That's the link. So let's continue. That's so we want to add our videos too. So H2 watch this video. So now get our video element, the video tag, video control, then the source. So I'm just use the default they bring here because I don't have a video on my file in my file. So I'm using the default it's bringing. So this is the first source, then you can see look for another source in case the system person is using is not using MP4. So there's another source. Yes, let me copy the same video. And video slash WEBM. Yeah, and so we have something like this. So next one on the list is to close the video tag. Let's close the video tag. So we are done with our we are done with our code. So this is basically what you say you guys should do. So purely CSS, not as in, sorry, purely HTML, not CSS. So now let's go back to the stuff now. I said we should push to GitHub. So and to push to GitHub, I've done a video on that before. So let me expand this. I'm done with my assignment. So let me expand this. Let me go back. Go back. So you copy this. So we'll have to clone. Copy this and we're pushing to GitHub. So definitely we'll clone. So let me expand then terminal, new terminal. Then that this you now put you come here to git bash. Let's start clone. And start the clone. Although I've done this cloning before, so if you want to know more, can well let me just redo it again. So to clone, write git then space the what you want to clone. You copy the link. So press enter. Git clone git clone sorry space then the link enter. So I'm cloning it. So still cloning you wait. I know my network is a little bit slow and sluggish. Let me connect to my data so it should be fast. Unable to access. So we'll do it again. Sorry. Git clone. You right click to clone. So it's done. Then after that, you now click on CD, then the directory you want it. You come here, delete this, guys. Then you come here, delete this one. Just press enter. So after that, you now add git in it, then git add. So if you go to your folder, let me see where my folder is. I'm coming. Folder is on Python assignment. So now this is it. So I want to move it here. So I've successfully cloned this stuff. So I'll just go to my documents, desktop, sorry, my desktop, and this guy here. Then this is where I have cloned it. So I'll just move the file. What our file enhance form dot html. Move it here. So after I'm done with that, then I can now git add git add then enhance hyphen form. dot html, then git commit, git commit -m. Then what else write? You write my week week 2 second assignment on html. So you click enter. Then we want to push git push origin. So we are pushing our data to it. So and we are done. We have pushed everything to it. So now you come to your folder, your web, then this our this is a link PLP gave me. So if I refresh, let me see, it should drop. So this is it. This is all what we did, and this is all what we code there. So let me go back. So to submit, you go back, come here, then copy. Click on this copy stuff. Then come to your PLP. Then you click on finish assignment. Then submit the URL link, the link you copied. Click on submit. Then that's all. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dami Art Academy. Thank you guys for those that subscribe. So do you know the benefit of subscribing? Once I drop a new video, YouTube will definitely notify you. So peace and love. I love you guys all. Bye.